और उसके बाद हम उसके अंदर रीइंफोर्समेंट ना एड अप कर लेते हैं।
Right.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कुछ वॉल्स लास्ट टाइम बनाई थी, इसको सेलेक्ट करते हैं। ये देखें यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है स्ट्रक्चर का, ठीक है। सबको स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है?
Yes, sir.
Everyone can see my screen? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can change your architecture wall to the structure wall by just clicking here. In structural, you just click it, it will change automatically to structure wall. Then you can add like reinforcement in it, but we will touch this topic in our last lecture when we go toward Revit structure. So for now, we are just focusing on Revit architecture because it's also important for the engineers, contractors to follow up. Okay, the last time we have discussed some types, how can we make wall types and how we can add some openings to our walls, and how can we make different type of walls in which we can add different layers to our walls. We have this type of in which I had add some profile to the top of the wall. I will show how I add this to our wall. When I click on this wall, I will go to the edit type. I have shown last time that for adding multiple layer, you can add through just by clicking the edit button. I have added 2 layers to it. You can add more layers, it's up to you. In preview section, you can see there is some profile like brick masonry showing on the top of the wall. You can also add this type of profiles in your wall by clicking. You can mainly when we click over to the wall, our wall is shown is on a floor plan like this. It's showing from the top how our wall look like. This is like gypsum board, 4-inch and 9-inch is brick common. So I want to add like some profile type structure in on the top of the wall, or we can also add on the base. So I will click from the view button. I will click it to section view, modify type attributes. When I click it, we can see that there is some profile edit. So modify vertical structure section preview only. I will go to sweep. Here is one profile edit. I will first delete it so you can understand how I added this. So there is nothing here, you can see. So if I want to add some different type of profiles which are by default available in Revit, you can also add or make this type of profile by yourself, or you can also download from the internet. There are multiple profiles available on the internet. Each country has the users in each country have made their own profiles according to their country and according to the design that are commonly used in their countries. So when I click it on it sweep, so there's nothing here. Sweep means like you can say like extrusion to some to the walls. So I will click on the load profile. So here it will open the family section. I have also told you in my recent lectures that there are multiple families which we can say each family has different like files. You can use when I will go open this file, there is some is option like profile. I will click it. There are multiple type of profile. So I will go toward wall. In wall, I have different type of profile. So I will go for this, or wall sweep brick soldier course. Open. Okay. And after loading it, I will click on add. So here we have the profile is added. So here is written where from section you can select you want to add on the base or the top. I will say I will go for the top. Material you can I will show you later section and later my lecture, detailed lecture about material, how can we add material, how can create our own material. So I will click on apply. See here, I have one profile like brick course. So you can give some distance from the wall, 7-inch. So apply. See, it's moving from the top. So if I will go toward base, it will be added to our base. See, so it's moving. So you can change these default profile from here. I will add 5 blocks. See, here's 5 blocks. If I will go to the top, it will add it here. Everybody is getting my voice?
Yes,
सबको
sir,
मेरी
it's
आवाज
clear.
क्लियर आ रही है?
Sir is dropping sometimes.
Hmm?
Sometimes is dropping.
Okay. Maybe I will switch to my, wait a minute, just give me a second. I will switch my internet. Just give me a second. अब थोड़ी सी आवाज आपको क्लियर आ जाएगी। तो अभी तक आपको पॉइंट समझ आ गया है जो मैंने यहाँ पे वॉल स्वीप ऐड की है कि हम कैसे अपनी वॉल्स के अंदर मल्टीपल लेयर्स डाल सकते हैं और कैसे हम अपनी वॉल के अंदर मुख्तलिफ किस्म की प्रोफाइल को इनपुट कर सकते हैं, टॉप ऑफ द रेट और बेस ऑफ द रेट, ताकि हम अपना डिजाइन एक्सप्लेन कर सकें। Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after this I will move to our next part. So there's हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन है, एक तो हमने यहाँ से ऐड किया, दूसरा हम एक और कर सकते हैं। मैंने इस वॉल को सिलेक्ट किया। अच्छा, इस वॉल को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद बल्कि मैं इस वॉल पे मूव कर लेता हूँ। इस वॉल को मैंने सिलेक्ट किया और हमारे पास एक और ऑप्शन है कि हम जाएं आर्किटेक्चर में, वॉल के अंदर क्लिक करें। यहाँ पे हमारे पास वॉल स्वीप और वॉल रिवील है। वॉल स्वीप क्या है? कहता है क्रिएट अ वॉल स्वीप बाय एक्सट्रूडिंग अ प्रोफाइल अलोंग द पाथ। यानी अगर जो कोई भी दीवार बनी हुई है, कोई भी है, उसके अंदर हम कोई भी प्रोफाइल को एक्सट्रूड कर सकते हैं, यानी बाहर की तरफ निकाल सकते हैं। जैसे नॉर्मली घरों के बाहर डिजाइन बने होते हैं, सारा कुछ होता है, तो हम उस तरह से इसमें एडप्ट कर सकते हैं 3D व्यू में। और रिवील क्या है? इसके अंदर एक्सट्रूड अ प्रोफाइल कट आउट, यानी दीवार के अंदर एक कटआउट बना सकता है इस फंक्शन के थ्रू। तो हम चेक करते हैं कैसे बनता है। वॉल स्वीप क्लिक करेंगे। सो ये देखें, ये हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन देता है, हॉरिजॉन्टल या वर्टिकल। अगर मैं वर्टिकल करूंगा तो वर्टिकल शो करने लग जाएगा, अगर मैं हॉरिजॉन्टल करूंगा तो हॉरिजॉन्टल दिखाने लग जाएगा। तो मैं इसको कहता हूँ आप हॉरिजॉन्टल दिखाएं। हम इस पर बैक पे जाते हैं, तो ये ठीक है। अब ये देखें, ये उसने उसके अंदर एक्सट्रूजन दिखा दी। जब आप इसको क्लिक करेंगे तो ये आपसे पूछता है कि आपने ऑफसेट फ्रॉम द वॉल कितना है। ये ऑफसेट फ्रॉम द लेवल लिखा हुआ है कि पोर्ट लेवल से ऑफसेट कितना है। मैं ऐसे कहता हूँ कि ऑफसेट जिस लेवल पे हमने आपको रखा है, आप उस पर उसके कोई ऑफसेट हमें नहीं चाहिए, तो ये आप ऑटोमेटिकली उस लेवल पर, यानी अगर इसका पोर्ट लेवल था तो पोर्ट लेवल पे आ गया। अगर इसको मैं लेवल चेंज करूंगा कि ग्राउंड फ्लोर हाइट पे, तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर हाइट पे आ जाएगा। ठीक है, पोर्ट लेवल पे रख के मैं इसको चेंज, सॉरी ये वॉल से हो जाएगा, तो ऑफसेट फ्रॉम द, ठीक है। अच्छा, उसके बाद ऑफसेट फ्रॉम द वॉल, यानी अभी ये फिलहाल वॉल के साथ बिल्कुल अटैच है। ठीक है, मैं इसको ऑफसेट दे देता हूँ। मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसको थोड़ा सा वॉल से दूर हो जाए, 5 इंच। ये देखिए, अगर इसको मैं नेगेटिव करूंगा तो ये वॉल के अंदर चला जाएगा। ठीक है, ओके। तो ये है। अच्छा, उसके बाद इसको हम एडिट टाइप करके हम इसकी प्रोफाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं। ये देखिए यहाँ पर उसने दिया सब सब कैटेगरी ऑफ वॉल वॉल स्विप कॉर्नाइस, मतलब उसने एक ली हुआ है। तो हम इसकी जो प्रोफाइल है वो चेंज कर सकते हैं। हम इसको कर देते हैं जनाब आप वॉल स्विप 5 ब्लॉक कर लो, और मटेरियल हम उसको दे देते हैं क्या कहते हैं इसको, सीमेंट कर देते हैं, कंक्रीट कर देते हैं। ओके, देख रहे हैं। सो हाउ इट्स लुक लाइकिंग। सो मैं इसको ऑफसेट फ्रॉम द वॉल को 0 इंच करता हूँ ताकि टोटली। अच्छा, ये आ गया। तो क्लिक करने के बाद आप इसको मजीद दीवारों के साथ ऐड कर सकते हो। ये पूरी चारों दीवारों पे मेरा ऐड अप हो गया, देख रहे हैं। ये अंदर की साइड पे चला गया। ठीक है, इसकी अब लोकेशन आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, अप डाउन, इनसाइड आउटसाइड, सब कुछ पॉसिबल है। इसको आप पीछे भी लेंथ लेंथ की कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं। आप इसको चाहें तो यहाँ से पकड़ के यहाँ कर सकते हैं इसकी लेंथ। ठीक हो गया। अच्छा, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास आ रहा है वॉल रिवील। ये आप इस कर्सर से अपनी मतलब प्रोजेक्ट को किसी भी एंगल में, मतलब इस पर हमारे पास 6 होते हैं, टॉप, बॉटम, राइट, लेफ्ट, बैक, फ्रंट, और 4 व्यूज हैं, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, साउथ, वेस्ट। आप नॉर्थ पर क्लिक करेंगे नॉर्थ पे चला जाएगा, ईस्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे ईस्ट पे चला जाएगा, वेस्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वेस्ट पे चला जाएगा। अगर इसको अगर हाउस को क्लिक करेंगे तो ये ऐसे आपके पास मूव ऑन हो जाएगा। अब हम वॉल इसमें रिवील करते हैं। सो आफ्टर देखें, जब मैंने वॉल रिवील किया तो ये भी इसका का सेम कट आउट दे रहा है जैसे उसने वॉल स्विप में दिया था। ठीक है, ये देख रहे हैं, ये उसने अंदर से कट आउट दे दिया। इस कट आउट को आप इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं, डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। इसको अगर हम इस कट आउट को सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो इसमें हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, किसी तरीके से इसकी प्रोफाइल इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है जी, आप इसको क्लिक करके ऐड करके यहाँ पे आ गया। और मैं यहाँ पे जाऊँगा तो ये देखिए, अब मेरे घर के दीवार के तीनों तरफ ये एक कटआउट शामिल है। क्लियर है। अच्छा, उसके बाद एक और वॉल में हमारे पास ऑप्शन होता है कि हम इसकी प्रोफाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं। मतलब इस फिलहाल इसको हॉरिजॉन्टल रेक्टेंगुलर दिया गया, हम इसको मजीद चेंज कर सकते हैं। वो कैसे कर सकते हैं वो मैं आपसे एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ। पहले मैंने ये इस पर प्रोफाइल ऐड की थी, इसको जरा मैं ख़त्म कर दूँ ताकि थोड़ा सा काम करने में मुझे आसानी हो। अच्छा, हम इसको क्लिक करता हूँ, यहाँ पे आया हुआ है देखें, एडिट प्रोफाइल, चेंज द शेप ऑफ द सिलेक्टेड वॉल और ओपनिंग। अब मैं जब इसको सिलेक्ट करता हूँ तो वो मुझे कहता है कि आप इसकी शेप चेंज करो। शेप मैं कैसे चेंज कर सकता हूँ इसकी, इसको मैं क्लिक करता हूँ यहाँ पे, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल, इसके अंदर मैं एक हॉरिजॉन्टल बॉक्स बना देता हूँ। अच्छा, दूसरी बात क्या कर देता हूँ, इसको मैं जरा फिलेट कर देता हूँ, ये फिलेट जैसे हम ऑटोकैड में करते थे, ठीक है, इसको भी मैं फिलेट बना देता हूँ। ठीक हो गया। अंदर इसमें से एक छोटा सा यहाँ पे सर्कल लगा देता हूँ, छोटे छोटे सर्कल। ओके, मैं इसको क्लिक करता हूँ, ये देखिए हमारी वॉल ही चेंज हो गई। अब मैं यहाँ से इसकी लेंथ विड्थ कम कर सकता हूँ। ठीक हो गया। आप अपनी टाइप की वॉल को इस तरह से ऐड अप कर सकते हैं। इट क्लियर? आवाज क्लियर है आप लोग? जी, क्वेश्चंस हैं तो वो मैं एंड में आप लोगों से डिस्कस कर लूंगा, ताकि एट द एंड हम लोग सारे डिस्कस करें। कोई अगर मेजर कोई आवाज का मसला है, so if you have any questions we can take it at the end, or if you have any other thing, like if you have some distortion uh, regarding the voice, then you can share it with me.
सर
जी
जी सर, डिस्टॉर्शन तो शुक्र है पहले से बेहतर है, एकदम नहीं थी, बाकी ऐसा ठीक है। मैंने रिगार्डिंग मॉडलिंग से पूछना था कि मतलब हम स्केचअप में भी मॉडलिंग करते हैं और हम रेविट में भी मॉडलिंग करते हैं, तो फिर इसकी और उसकी मॉडलिंग में क्या फर्क है? हालांकि अगर देखा जाए तो वो ये चीज़ वहीं बनाना है, इससे काफ़ी इजी है।
कहाँ पे
स्केचअप स्केचअप गूगल स्केचअप की बात करूँ,
Google Sketch, you cannot add some information. I will on the first day, on the first lecture, I have explained you that in Revit you cannot only just do one thing. You can
yes I know.
you can design, you can analyze, you can quantity take off, you can add multiple type of information. And next thing, the major thing is parametric modeling, which is linking of one element or one family with the other. These are all different type of stuff which differentiate Google SketchUp with from the Revit. Google SketchUp is like just you have some drawing board and you are making like you are moving the pencil and you are making just 3Ds just for your like your presentation, but it does not have detailed information attached to it.
Yeah, I got my answer.
Yeah, but it has some similarities, but it has not the information, because the BIM, the process, the BIM subject, like you can do this type of profile also in AutoCAD. Like you can extrude your model there, and you can do this type of stuff there. But you cannot add information. Which type of material is there? Which type of properties is there?
Which type of rebar is being used, or what type of
Everything
material is being used?
I'm just giving just only one example.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because BIM is all about information. It is like BIM is like a collaboration of architecture, structure, MEP, and quantity takeoff, cost data. All the models collaboration on one place is called a BIM.
As we say in Urdu, it is a majmua.
Yeah, which is like a combination. Like it's a coordination for when you have so you are starting like a building project, like a hospital project. First you have to see the architecture drawing for some information, then you have to move toward the structure drawing, and then most of the in these type of drawings they are not much collaborated with each other. Sometimes the structure drawing is missing most of the architectural elements, and architecture is missing the structure elements. And when you go to the MEP drawing, then you will see that the structure drawing is not collaborating or coordinating with the MEP drawing. Most of the time, the rebars are crossing on the same side where the HVAC line is going through that, where the electrical LTH line is going through that. Most of the time it happens. If you go toward infrastructure project, when we move toward the infrastructure project, you will see that sometime like in a small utility corridors, you have to cross the electrical line, ICT line, gas line, and you can say water supply line all through the some one place. But due to non-collaboration of all these drawing, coordinations of all these drawing, sometime you have seen that most of the time the electrical line is colliding with the water supply line. Then you have to move the design, then you have to move the changing, then you have to change the design, then you have to ask the designer to change it, because they don't have a intellectual coordination with it, collaboration with it. All the stakeholders of all the department are not on the board on a single model. It's like a single unit. It's like a superstore where you can find everything. You can find the pizza, the burger, you can find all your home stuff, everything on the one place. I hope you got my point.
Yes, I got your point. Thank you.
Okay, so so our wall topic is closed. There are some more elements to the wall. I will explain in my next lecture with the like other families when we are doing and when it is necessary to explain to them. So now we are moving toward our door family. So we have explained our door family. Now we are moving to the door. For door, you can go toward your shortcut DR, or you can go to the architecture panel and just click on the door button. When I click door button, here's some already families, single flash family loaded in. When I click it, 36 inches by 84 inches is showing its length width. When I click on the edit type, so I can see the information. Here is the like profile of that. You can see it. So this is the like a front. You can see this door from every side. For just single family, how it would look like. Okay, from front view, your door would look like that. So function is what its function is interior, wallpaper by host. Okay, by interior both you can use by host. Door material panel, frame material frame, you can change here from a, I would say like cherry. I will go with the cherry option. Door frame, or maybe I will select here the cherry, or maybe some wood, softwood lumber. Okay. When you are changing to the your default family, first thing you have to do it, you have to make it duplicate. I will make it duplicate. It's like my project part one, my project door family D1. Okay, then I will change this door material. Okay, thickness, it's like height. You can change trim project is extension, intrusion trim width, width of the ball. You can also add these type of heat transfer coefficient, solar heat gain coefficient, visual light transmutation, thermal resistance, assembly cost, manufacturer, model, keynote, fire rating, cost, everything you can add it. But this you cannot add in any other software. So when I click in model, so I can add from here. So I have model which I can add some parameters to it. My model is P1. When I will at the end we will go to like quantitative, we can differentiate that how many type of P1 model door we have. Manufacturer who is like Usman manufacturers have made this door, so we can like buy from the Usman manufacturer. When you give this model, your contractor, your contractor can check out. Yeah, he can see the like most of time, like when in the like bigger firms, they have written like source, because no most of the time you have to make approval of the source from which source you are using the material. But for in Revit, you can add, you can tell them, you can that you the contractor have to buy the door from this type of manufacturers. From the other, you can it cannot be approved. But all it is, all these information are embedded in that model. So comments like you should make it white color maybe. So you can give him, you can also give some description. You can also add, oh, 600 rupees, 700 rupees. I have added here. So okay. Okay. I think just 700. 700. Okay. So when I click it, I can add here. See. So here is my family door. So it's showing like 7 feet from the ground floor, 3 feet from the floor height. It is also giving the dimension automatically. It's also showing from the one wall, like 9 feet, 5 inches from the center of this wall to 9 feet from the center of the other wall. So these type, they are these are the only one type. So I can add one more time. Okay, you can also change the host. Host means where you are placing your door. Like if I click on the pick new host, I can move it. I can move it anywhere, but it will only be placed down here. If I will click, like when I click it, if I will sill height, I can give it 3 inch. It will move here from the sill. It is moving 3 inches. So when I will change this host, it will be moving around on the 3 inches from the sill. Okay. So do you think these are the only one type of doors in there? No, there are multiple types. So I can move some. I will load some family. There are two options to load a family. First, maybe I will go toward insert or go to the load from the library. And I will open the library is a door item, and I will click it. I have multiple doors here, like a shop of the door. Where you can select any type of here, commercial, hardware, residential, hospitals, but you can also download from the internet. I have also some in my own library. I can also like first I go to the residential. I would go for this type, glass door, interior, single full glass. I will open it. So here is width and height that is by default available in it. So I will go toward, I guess, maybe 3 feet, and the side is showing 6 feet and 8 inches. Okay, I will go okay, and I will click it. I will go to door family. I can find it here. So after loading the family, your family will be available here. You can go to edit type. You can change its material. It's showing this front elevation. You can add thickness to a style, top railing, bottom railing, rough width, everything here it is you have. So I will make my own. So I will go and duplicate, and my project door family 1. So I will change its height to 7 feet. I think this enough, and maybe 3 feet 6 inches, which is normally used in our country. Okay, see here. I hope this door look much better than this one. So even you can add information to these glass panel in Revit. You can add the information of this frame, which type of material you want in this frame. Okay, I will click it. I can change some information, like bottom rail. I will go for 6 inches. Show is showing how which like dimension you are changing. Okay, 6 inches. Okay, it's showing top rail from where you want to move. Okay, I will go for 8 inches. See, okay, now it's showing the thickness is S style. I will move it to 6 inch. If you do not understand this dimension for which type of dimension is representing here, when you click it, it will automatically show you. I will still go for 6 inch. I will change it, apply. My family is changed. See, my door is changed. Okay, so now I will add some more family. You can also load family from here. Once first option is from like insert load family, and second option is from When you click on the door, you can also have load from the here. But when I will go for load family, I will go toward my own library, which I have created by myself. It's Revit. Okay. Revit family, Revit family. Okay. Do I have some doors? Yes, I have some doors. Okay. See, you can also download hospital doors, apartment doors, school doors, anything you want. See, I'm adding this door. Most of these family are in the previous version, like 2014, 15, or 16. It will automatically convert it into 2018 or the any other version which you are using. See how it's look like. I think it's much better. Than you can use it in the interior, or you can use in mailing it for your TV launch. When you enter the house, you can use it there. I think it's much better for that. Okay, for now being we are taking like a 5 to 7 minute break. Then I will come back and we will start our second session, and then we will go toward how we can edit this type of family more, or then we will go toward like some window family. Okay, for now being our first session is going to close.
Okay, sir.
I will waiting you guys for our next session.
Okay, sir.
Everybody is hearing my voice? Hello.